Hello friends, in this course we'll be learning how we can change the image background. Most of the times you'll have an image and then the background will be very bad to the extent it shouldn't be good to post to post on Facebook, maybe Twitter, Instagram, all of that. So most of the times you have to go through Corel or Photoshop for you to remove your image background or change your image background. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily and conveniently change your image background within minutes. You don't need to have any technical skills or computer knowledge. You just have to allow the application or the website to do the background work and then get your image background changed. So for you to remove your image background, we are going to use our smartphone. So either you use your Android phone or you use your iPhone, and then you need a data connection and a browser. So you can use Opera Mini, you can use Firefox or any browser of your choice, or or Google Chrome, anyone that is okay for you. So first of all, to start, I'll first of all open my browser. So let me open my Google Chrome. You might use Chrome or any browser of your choice depending on the one you have or the one you want to use. So for me, I'm using Google Chrome. So when you open, you click on the address bar and then you type how to change an image background. How to change an image background, and then you hit enter. Make sure you Google how to change an image background. So you scroll down and then make sure you click on change image background, remove your picture. This very link is the link we're going to use to change the image background. So you click on it to open, which will sometimes it's opening. Just have exercise a little patience. It's still opening. You wait for it to open. Yeah, it has opened. As you can see, the right top there says change image background, replace the background of any image for free. So there are different templates here. There are different background images and background colors. So if you want to change your image background now, you click on upload image. It's opening to your phone memory now, and then you choose any image of your choice that you want to change the background. So for example, let me choose this very image now. Click on open, and then the image has been uploaded successfully. So now you can go ahead and change your image background. You can click on any background image of your choice. As you can see, the image background has been changed to this color. If I press on the next one, you see how the image background will change. It has changed. You click on the next one, then it will change to that background. You can see some building at the background. So there are different templates here you can use. You can choose any one of your choice, any one at all. You can choose this forest, and then she'll be standing inside a forest right now. As you can see, she's standing inside this very forest right now. So you can click on background color. If you want to change your background to the current color, you can click on it and click white. If it is white, you want it to be your background, you can click. As you can see, the background has been changed to white. You can click on red and all of that. You can click on this one, any color of your choice. So for the course of this study, let me go back to images. Let's use any of this image as a background. So let me use the forest image, forest background, sorry. So once you find the background of your choice, now you can go ahead and download it. So once you're done, you can go ahead and then you can click on download. It is downloading. You can, it has been downloaded successfully. Now you can open it. So when you click on open, you should open the image which you have just changed the background color. So this is how you easily change your background. It doesn't require any technical skills. Very easy than using Corel Draw or Photoshop and the rest of those platforms or tools. Thank you.